What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela and my sign name is Caela. Today we're going to be talking about sign names. I know I've talked about this a lot previously, but I still get comments of like someone commented I'm a beginner and I don't know the alphabet yet, so I can't fingerspell my name. I'm just going to give myself a sign name. And I know in in other languages, it might be acceptable, but within American Sign Language, it's actually pretty cool. There's also both a community and a culture along with this. It's not just a language. And within that, the culture of being both deaf and learning American Sign Language is sign names. Sign names are specifically only given to you by a deaf person. You can't be hearing nothing else. You have to be deaf with a capital D, and in the community, I got it from a deaf teacher. So you cannot give yourself a sign name. You can't have friends and family who aren't in the culture and are deaf. So just please be mindful. I understand that if you're a beginner, it's really hard, but study, practice, do whatever you can. Even just try when you're trying to spell your name, even if you still don't know the alphabet. Deaf people will correct you and help you, but it is taken really seriously of sign names. It's a significant thing when someone gives you a sign name, so please don't just go and create it yourself.